What's up, nail geeks, and welcome back to a Great Lakes Lacquer video. On this fine hump day, I have a quickie for you all. Great Lakes is bringing back 4 previous released polishes. These are going to be referred to as BIB, Bibs, Bring It Backs. These were released up to a couple years ago. I will go over that information on each of the polishes. I have the 4 that are dropping for this release. I hear there may be some more coming back for future releases. That's very exciting. I'm going to quit yammering because I said this was going to be quick. Without further ado, let's dive right into these beautiful returns. I Was A Ballerina 2026 version is a ballerina pink exploding with a magenta to orange to yellow shifting shimmer. This is from the Pastels collection of 2021, inspired by Adam's Family Values. And we have a wonderful pastel milky type of beautiful pink color. I think 2 coats works just fine for this. I don't see anyone needing to go past that. Make sure you are floating your polish on your brush to prevent any potential balding or streaking from the shimmer packed formula. This one kind of toppers over dark colors, possibly over other pastel pink creams, if you will, but I like it by itself. This was one I have been trying to get my paws on myself. Again, 2 coats is all you need. It dries down semi-gloss, so any top coat works. Lavender Fields is a pale lavender that leans mauve in some lights, absolutely glowing with a green to blue to purple shimmer. This one is lighter and more sheer than Dreams, giving it a more dreamy quality. In our PR notes, it states, since Mariah cannot bring back Lavender Dreams, she decided to offer Lavender Fields. Not the same, but similar. This is glorious, beautiful. You don't want to miss this one either. This is a 3-coater in my opinion. I'm going to strongly suggest that. It is chock full of shimmer, as you can see on the swatch stick here. Amazing. I think this can topper pretty decently over purples and some deeper types of pinks. Very, very flattering. It is on the softer side in terms of opacity, so yes, you can see through my falsies here. On natural nails, you may want to use a blurring base, your choice. Should we maybe just cook him? Is a juicy orange filled with lime green to blue to purple shifting shimmer. This one is from the Beyond the Reef collection that debuted in 2022, inspired by Moana. P.S. That's one of my favorite animated films. The music is Chef's Kiss. Anyways, Cook Him has a fantastic shimmery jelly formula. I was pleasantly surprised that I felt the need to stop at 2 coats. I felt like the plumping factors to the formula was just fine, and it would have been too much if I did a 3rd coat. It toppers ridiculously well over darker colors. I can see this having some versatility, even with it being a very tinted base color. It's just glorious. And that's saying something because I typically don't toot my own horn on warm colors like this. We Past the Setting Sun is a burnt burgundy blazing with a red to orange to gold shifting shimmer and a touch of scattered holographic effect. This one is from the Ode to Fall collection of 2024, inspired by Emily Dickinson's Because I Could Not Stop for Death. My video, my swatches, everything I have does not do this polish justice. I'm just saying that. My camera freaked out, said no ma'am, and my photos, same thing. I don't even know where to begin with this. It's a gorgeous jewel toned, very much a burgundy as it builds up. I know my camera and my swatches are just zoning in on that metallic type of shimmer, but my macro shot kind of gives you a little bit of an idea how deep this color is in person. Almost like a purpley type of tint to the base color. So it's almost got that, I dare say, like a royalish type of purple to the base itself, but it is burgundy, if that makes sense. It is glorious and it is chock full of shimmer too. It toppers decently well over dark colors, but why would you? This is just one of those ultra shimmery, very strong holographic properties too in it. It's magical. If you like reds, even slightest bit, 10 out of 10 recommend this one. These are going to drop May 29th at 9 p.m. Eastern Time to June 6th at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. This is going to be a pre-order. All orders are estimated to be shipped around July 3rd or 6th. The standard 15 to 21 business days after the pre-order closes applies here. So Mariah does state in our PR info, she has 4 Bring It Backs this time. These are only going to be available for this release only. The high roll and back collection will also be restocked for the final time as well. I did have a video on that. So if you're wanting to see those, I'm going to link that in the description box here too. And you can go check those out if you want to see swatches and hear my commentary on those. Remember, everything offered for this sale is not going to return. So grab things you don't want to miss out. I'll also link you to the Facebook group if you want to get in there, interact with Mariah. She's super cool, and see additional swatches, all that good stuff. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. I may or may not have a polished pickup video coming for you all soon. Super excited. Thank you all so much for watching.